it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a NIFT related video after super long. I know you all keep asking me to make more NIFT related videos, but I only keep delaying it, and I'm so sorry for that. But now that so many of you are starting out your first year at NIFT or have already started by the time you watch this video, I thought it's high time that I make a video for all the first year students out there. I'm going to share some tips that are going to help you as a first year student at NIFT, and these are all based on my personal experiences. These are based on my personal lessons that I learned when I was in my first year at NIFT. I really hope that this video helps you in some way or the other, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, tip number one would be to prioritize working on your LDs or learning diaries and be consistent with them, and keep them safe as well, because you might want to refer to them in the longer run, especially when you are in your third or fourth year. Because I remember there were instances when I desperately wanted to consult my learning diaries from the first year, but I couldn't do so because मैं अपने घर में थी when I was in my third or fourth year because of lockdown, and मेरे LDs मेरे hostel में थे, and this is when I understood the value of your LDs from first year and the value of keeping them safe and secure. So keep them safe and also be creative and make your LDs super aesthetic. I'm not sure if NIFT allows you to maintain digital learning diaries, but no matter what, just make sure that your LDs are to the point, creative, aesthetic, and be super consistent with updating them. Do not procrastinate, and that will make your life so much easier at NIFT, especially as a first year student. Moving on, number two would be to take part in all the events that happen at your campus and be a part of societies as well. Like, be as outgoing as possible, because in a creative field like this, it is very important to go out there, meet new people, build contacts, network as much as possible, because this is where collaborations happen and you get to interact with your seniors and learn so much about your journey in NIFT in general, and that is going to be so helpful. मैंने ये नहीं किया था, मैं काफ़ी इंट्रोवर्टेड थी, मैं अभी भी एम्बीवर्ट ही हूँ, सो मैं काफ़ी टाइम अपने हॉस्टल के रूम में ही बिता देती थी. And I could have used this time, especially in my first year when there was so much free time, I feel, to go out there and attend all of these college valley events and take part in societies and just network as much as possible. So while you have the time and while you have the opportunity, take part in these events, go out there, meet new people, be a part of societies, have fun, and just build contacts. Network as much as possible. That is so important. Number three, on similar lines, try to take part and attend any other event that is happening outside of your college as well. If you are in Mumbai or Delhi, there are fashion weeks that keep on happening. Try to attend these fashion weeks. Try to intern at fashion weeks from the first year itself. I know it's thoda difficult, but impossible nahi hai. So try to intern at these places. और अगर fashion weeks नहीं है तो art exhibitions पे जाओ, attend art exhibitions, try to intern there. And even if there are no events as such happening, you can always explore your city, because in a creative field like design, you need to be as observant as possible. You need to be aware of your surroundings, and that helps you become more creative. So even if there are no events happening, just explore the city that your campus is in and just go out there. Again, meet new people, attend events, take part in events in any capacity possible, and just build your contacts. That's gonna help you so much. I know I keep repeating this, and I'm only doing so because it's gonna be really helpful in the longer run, especially when you have to get your summer internship or you have to build contacts for your graduation project. So trust me, everything starts from the first year itself. Go out there, meet new people, get new experiences, and make the most out of the first year while you have the time and opportunity. Also, before moving on with the rest of today's video, I have to share a very special news with all of you, which is that I have been nominated for Exhibit Awards in the Emerging Fashion Creator of the Year category, and ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा special है, but I can only win through your votes. So it would mean a lot to me if you guys take out 2 minutes of your time and vote for me. मैं link description box में डाल दूंगी. Just click on the link, enter your details like your name, email ID and everything. Go to the emerging fashion creator of the year category, select my name Anushka Hajra and click on submit and you are done. That's it. It's that easy and that simple. And if you feel like my videos have been helpful, if I have entertained you with my videos or I have helped you with my videos, please do take out 2 minutes of your time and vote for me. It would mean the world to me. Anyways, moving on to tip number 4. Try to learn all the Adobe softwares, especially the 3 important ones, Illustrator, Photoshop and InDesign, in the first year itself while you have the time again. And I'm not sure, but I think you have this entire subject in your first year where they teach you all of these 3 major Adobe softwares. So be super vigilant, especially in this class of yours, and learn these softwares in the best way possible. Go up to your faculty, ask them your doubts and get them cleared, and just learn these softwares nicely because it's going to help you a lot in your upcoming years at NIFT. Canva is not an option, to be very honest. So just learn these Adobe softwares as nicely as possible and it's gonna help you so much. And lastly, tip number 5 would be with respect to your general electives. Now I'm not sure if you still have general electives at NIFT or not, but in case if you do, try to take up all the difficult looking general electives in the first year itself so that you can save up the easier and lesser time consuming general electives for your later years when you'll be a lot busier and a lot more stressed with your department work. मैंने एक्चुअली उल्टा कर दिया था. मैंने सारे इंटरेस्टिंग और इजी वाले जनरल इलेक्टिव्स फर्स्ट ईयर में ही ले लिए थे एंड दैट इज व्हाट मेड मी स्विच माय स्ट्रैटेजी फ्रॉम द सेकंड ईयर एंड दैट हेल्प मी so much in saving up time and helping me concentrate more on my main subjects. So try to get done with all the difficult general electives in the first year itself. And yeah, that's all for today's video. In case if you liked watching this video, you know what to do. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other NIFT related video that you would like to watch or any other video related to fashion school. And yeah, in case if you like watching my videos, please do take out 2 minutes of your time and vote for me. Every other detail is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you with a new video super soon again. And until next time, bye.